In this video, we're going to go over how to view an agent profile on Manage Users. First, you must go to the Manage Users option in the menu bar. You'll find a table with all the users in your contact center. By clicking on the name of the agent, you will see the agent's profile. You will find their activity history, the teams that they're assigned to, assigned skills, and their team skills. Here you can also edit the user for your contact center, as of their teams and their spoken languages.